All my help. President Marcos to paint the letter to our nation against the people and spoke to fake news na nagpapakalat na sa President Marcos ay magbitaw na sa pwesto to leader us in the Philippines. It's the people to be agree kung sino nagpapakalat yun. Totoo naman. Ako, gusto ko rin ganun. Kasi, what happened to President Duterte is leader. Tapos na kang termino. Wala naman siya natutulong sa akin. Another Marcos, another again. So, they spoke. Ako, and my personal account, ako may hawak ng account ko. Wala akong binabayaran tao para mag-post. We have to pay other people instead of living, believe is as persons, very simply. Just that. Problema na yan. Ang problema ko, ibigay mong aking money ransom Philippines, Amerika, na matapos ang away natin. Ayaw mo naman mag-World War III, di ba? Ang gusto mo, mabuhay ka ng habang panahon in old age and pass that away. Just gotta shit, bitch.